The Finance Minister. Shukla. Sri Shiv Pratap Shukla. Sri Pratap, Shiv Pratap Shukla. To move the motion for consideration of the bills.
Sir, I rise to move that the bill to provide the withdrawal of the certain sums up and out of the consolidated fund of the India and the services of the part of the financial year 2019 to 20 as passed by Lok Sabha be taken into consideration.
To the appropriation bill next. All together.
Sir, I rise to move. Sir, I rise to move that the bill to authorize payment the appropriation of the certain further
Please, Shanti, so that we can also.
sums and out of the consolidated fund of the India for the services of the financial year 2018-19 as passed by Lok Sabha be taken into consideration.
Finance bill. Finance bill.
फाइनेंस बिल तो है ही नहीं है.
3 है ना?
तीसरा है ना.
कहाँ है?
ये दो
नहीं, okay.
नहीं 3 नहीं है, ये नहीं है. कहाँ है फाइनेंस बिल? फाइनेंस बिल.
Motion, please, motion moved. Thereafter. Interim Budget 2019-20 and the motion for consideration of appropriation vote on account bill 2019, appropriation bill 2019 and the finance bill 2019 are now open for discussion. As there is an agreement that we will have it approved without discussion, I shall now put the motion regarding consideration of the appropriation vote on account bill 2019 to vote. The question is that the appropriation vote on account bill 2019 as possible the Lok Sabha be taken into consideration. Those in favor will please say aye. Aye. Those against will please say no. I think the ayes have it, the ayes have it, the ayes have it, the motion is adopted. We shall now take up class by class consideration of the bill. Class 2 to 4 and the scheduled stand part of the bill. Those in favor will please say aye. Aye. Those against say, please say no. I think the ayes have it, the ayes have it, the ayes have it. Class 2 to 4 and the schedule are adopted. Class 1 and the enacting formula and the title stand part of the bill. Those in favor please say aye. Aye. Those against will please say no. I think the ayes have it, the ayes have it, the ayes have it. Class 1, the enacting formula and the title are adopted. The Finance Minister to move.
Sir, I rise to be moved that the bill be returned.
Returned. The bill be returned.
Bill be returned.
The motion moved that the bill be returned. The question is that the bill be returned. Those in favor will please say aye. Aye. Those against will please say no. I think the ayes have it, the ayes have it, the ayes have it. The bill is returned.